You won't find Wollaston plastered across travel guides or trending on social media, and honestly, that's part of the appeal. Tucked into a quiet fold of Northamptonshire, this village has a way of slipping under the radar while quietly holding on to stories that stretch back through the ages. Roman footprints, Saxon roots, handmade boots, and hedgerow walks, Wollaston is the sort of place that rewards those who take their time. Wollaston didn't just pop up in the last few hundred years. People have been living here since the Iron Age. Archaeologists have uncovered everything, from Roman pottery kilns to Saxon artifacts, hinting at a village that's been lived in and worked on for over 1,000 years. Its name probably comes from Wulflaf's Tune, Old English for Wulflaf's farmstead. It even made it into the Domesday Book in 1086. Long before it found its stride in the 1800s as a centre for shoemaking. That's right. Wollaston helped put boots on Britain's feet, and it still does. NPS Shoes, makers of the iconic Solarwear boots, are based right here. The same hands that once helped shape Dr. Martens still stitch leather just a few doors down from the pub. St. Mary's Church. You'll spot it before you hear it. St. Mary's tall spire rising above the rooftops, looking like it's been there forever. The church dates back to the 12th century and has that weathered, beautiful stillness only Old English churches seem to master. Step inside when the sun's slanting through the stained glass and you'll feel it. The quiet pull of history. If you like the idea of wandering through fields with only birdsong and breeze for company, Wollaston's footpaths deliver. One of the loveliest walks winds out to Summer Lays Nature Reserve, a transformed gravel pit that's now alive with birds, dragonflies, and wildflowers. It's peaceful out there, really peaceful. NPS factory shop. Even if you're not into footwear, there's something special about walking into a shop and knowing the boots on the shelf were made just steps away. The NPS Shoes factory shop is one of those rare places where craftsmanship still feels personal. At the heart of Wollaston stands Nag's Head, a classic British pub where time seems to slow down. Locals gather here not just for food, but for that familiar feeling of warmth and community. Behind its doors, stories are shared over pints, and every visit feels like coming home. Just a short walk away, the Hill Village pub offers a different rhythm, lively, welcoming, and full of character. It's the kind of place where laughter fills the air, strangers become friends, and the evening effortlessly turns into a night to remember. You'll also find smaller cafes and local spots dotted around that make perfect resting points mid-walk or post-boot shop. Hidden within the quiet streets of Wollaston, the Wollaston Heritage Society Museum preserves the village's memories and stories from generations past. Housed inside a former chapel, this small museum keeps Wollaston's history alive through photographs, artifacts, and local records collected over many decades. Walking through its historic stone walls feels like stepping back into another era, a time when village life moved more slowly, communities were closely connected, and generations of local families helped shape the character of Wollaston we see today. Though small in size, the museum holds centuries of history and quietly tells the story of the people who once lived, worked, and worshipped here. Just a few steps from the museum stands Beacon Hill. Mott Castle stands one of Wollaston's oldest surviving landmarks, a medieval earthwork believed to be nearly 900 years old. Built during a turbulent period of civil war in medieval England, this man-made mound once served as a a strategic lookout point, helping protect the village and surrounding countryside from approaching danger. Centuries ago, a wooden defensive structure would likely have stood at the top, overlooking the land below. Over time, the castle itself disappeared, leaving only the grassy mound that remains today. But even now, Beacon Hill still carries the atmosphere of another age, a quiet reminder of Wollaston's deep connection to England's medieval past. It's not about flashy attractions here. There's no brochure-ready skyline or bucket list monument. What Wollaston offers instead is honesty. It's a village that's lived through centuries, worked hard, and kept its head down. The stories are there if you look, etched into stone walls, tucked into the churchyard, or told across a pub table. Spend an afternoon here and you'll feel it. That quiet sense that you've landed somewhere genuine, somewhere with roots.